welcome to my channel. My name is Niharika, and as you can see that I have bought lots of things here, and as you see it's all Korean thing because it was Korean fair in India 2022 at 1st to 5th June. If you want to go guys, you can go, but when I will upload it will get finished, but let's move on. So I buy lots of things. As you can see, I have seaweed, I have their official postcard, I buy a moisturized serum, and I have these. I don't know what it's called, but I really love it. And this is like a snack, and I asked, someone tells me that it's really sour, so I don't know about it. And this is Jejongwang Rengastic Gold. It's like I think tea or something, you can drink it. And this is kimchi, and I buy earrings like a shell, so I really like these, all of it. I will do unboxing, but before you can see, because I can eat today these or something, and I will tell you how it tastes and everything, because I really love all of things. I really love how Korean fair it's happened, and I really love to buy all these things again, and I really love it. So I will tell you how it tastes. Hey guys, so as you see that what I bought, now I'm doing the tasting as I said, and I'm really excited about it. And first of all, but I really want to say that I have bought this really a long time. I think it was it was, I think I have gone to 1st June, and now it's July, so it's been a month, but I have not recorded, but I really want to record it and show you my reaction. I have kind of like record few reaction also for you, so you don't say that I don't do like a reaction really well because I have eaten or I have do something before or see before, so that's why I have recorded. So first of all, I'm really excited about it, what I bought. So this is my 2 bags which I have, and you can see, and all of my stuffs are in this. And so first of all, I really want to show you. So this is the pamphlet, and this was a new one, and really just they want, like, you can buy in these also, like food or merch or anything, like food style, everything, like merchandise, food, albums, anything you can buy. I will link down below if you want to see this. So first of all, I buy the Jejongwang Rengastic Gold. As I say you, I'm not tasted yet, but I'm really excited about it. I will take a cutter. Yes, I will take a cutter and yes, I have opened it. I will not open it here. These are the flashes which I have. It's lots of, I think it was only the package has only 10 sachets. So this is my first one. I'm really excited. Oh my god, it's I think has like a ginger also, I think. So I will taste it. Okay. I'm really nervous. Yes, it is. Oh, I don't have this ever, so it feels really. I'm not liking it. it's really it's really ginger. It's all ginger. Oh my god, how will I do that? Okay, so guys, next is this thing which I show. It's really beautiful because I buy this because I really love the purple. As you know, I purple you, and it's really great. I really love it. No. As you can see, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. I really like it. I really like it. I think I will put this as my phone like thing, and I do like this. I will try, and I think I love to try. 1 second. I will put these like this, a small one, and put here and yes. You can see it's looking really pretty. I really like it. So I will put this in. I really like it actually. I was buying another one, but it's okay. I will buy next time. But I really like it. Oh my god, the monies are coming from inside, and they gave me like a free photo card, and it's obviously J-Hope. It's the J-Hope. So it's J-Hope. That's one thing, but I really don't want to show. It's the album thing where you can buy. Oh my god, the monies are coming from that. I'm really happy actually. So another thing is the photo card, official photo card, and I'm really excited about it to open it because I really love it. Oh my god, I think I have to. So I have the scissor. I will cut. Oh my god, it was like, I think it was really expensive because it's the official one, and you can have like the autograph. I will show you 1 second. Just I have opened it. So this is all the photographs. You can see this is the signature also of them, but I will show you one by one. So the first is Jin. I will focus on this. It's Jin, and it's his signature. Then I have RM and his signature. I really love the signature. I think I have like a tattoo of them. Next, I'm blur, I know. It's Sugar, and it's his sign, which I really love. It's JK, and his sign. It's really great. It's J-Hope, and it's his sign. With the sign, it's really different from other members. Really cute. Then it's V signature, and last but not the least, Gentleman, and his signature. It's like great to shim. It's really great. I really like it. it's all of them and it's all of them. I really like it. I really like it. I like it, and now I will show you my favorite thing which I bought it, and it is none other than the Chanel tops. I really like it. It's really great. I really want to buy Chanel earrings, rings or tops for quite a while, but I was not getting from anywhere. If I was seeing any, it was all expensive, but I now got it. So now I'm opening. You can see it's really pretty, guys. It's really pretty. I really like it. Now I will put these on my ear. So now I'm putting it. I'm really excited about putting my favorite Chanel earrings. It's really great to wear it, and I always, if I remember Chanel, I always remember my bias. But my baby, everyone is my bias, but he's my Jimin, I will say. I really like it. I will zoom a little. You can see it's looking really pretty. I really like it. It's really pretty. I really like how it's like design and everything. I really like it. I really like it. And next I will have my another earrings. I put my another earrings also. I will zoom a little. Like you can see it's looking really pretty. I'll show you like this one is really pretty, and this one is obviously also pretty. And I will put my hair front, but put these like this. I really like it. It's really great. I really like my earrings a lot, guys. It's really cool, guys. It's cool. It's pretty. I really like it. And now after that, it's my second bag, and the thing I bought was the seafood, and you can see it was the third one, but I had eaten it, and I will show you my real reaction. You will thought, oh, like you have to, you will all now eat in front of us, but it will not be same. So that's why I reacted. We open to this, and my reaction, I have seafood with seaweed, with the rice and kimchi. I bought kimchi also, but it's finished, so that's why I can't show you kimchi, but it was really, I will show you the reaction. You will see my reaction. So the reaction is here. I am going to open this, and I'm really excited because it's snacks. I'm really hungry, so I really want to try it. You can see it's crispy snacks, and really love it, and I really want to try it and everything. And it's have fat also, with protein less than 1 kg. Wow, energy, sodium, everything. But I really want to try the seaweed, and I really can't wait. Original flavor, so I'm really excited. So let's open it. see guys, it's so like green. I really want to try it. As you can see, it's so soft and it's so different, but I want to try it a little bit. So I have taken the seaweed and I will put rice, then a little bit of kimchi, and now I will hold it. You can see it's really look really yummy. Yum. Now I will put it in my mouth. Can't wait to it. So I'm now putting it in my mouth. It's yummy. Kimchi is really has lots of masalas, and I don't eat that much. So it's a little bit like that, but I really love all three of one. I really love the taste. Love it. After that, I bought it's the book of Lizane. I think I can skincare if you want to buy these products. It's the price also written. It's like 1800, 1500 or something like that. So I bought, this is the book, and the thing I bought was the it's the snack, and it's really sour. My friend told me after there was a unni who tells me that it's really sour. I can't eat it, so I thought I will try it. I know it's sour and I also can't eat it, but I will try. And it's looking really like melted or something. So I will see, because it's in my closet quite a long, and that's why. So oh my god, why my bag is not opening? It's not opening it. Oh yeah, now it's open. It really smells like Coca-Cola, I think. I don't know why it smells like that. It's melted too hot. So it's like these guys. It's make also it's like that. I will try, okay? It is sour, but it's not that sour when what the uni was telling me. But it's really great. I really like it. It really feels like Coca-Cola. I will open the second one and see how the taste will be. Scared, guys, it's here. It's really yummy. I think I can eat all of these like packets, because I really love it. Love it so much. Love it. I can't say no to this. It's really great. I really like it. And the last thing which I really want to show you, which I am using daily, I will say, it's the serum, and I will show you 1 second, guys. So here is the serum. I will show you. It's like getting finished because I'm using daily, and you can see it's my half thing. Serum is half, but I really want to try in front of you guys because it's really great. I put moisturizer and then serum, nothing else, because I think it makes my skin really well moisturized, and that's why I don't put like makeup also, foundation or anything, because I am trusting this product which makes my skin moisturize, not dry but moisturize. So I really like it. If you see, it's really make my skin really hydrated, but really like great, and I really like it. I really like this serum a lot. I really like it. I'm just fan of these serum. It's my first time that I was using serum, but I really this product serum and this company products. So I will really recommend, if you want to have serums, you can buy these like hyaluronic acid moisturizer serum. It's skin, and I really like it. So it was the things, guys, which I bought from the Korean fair, and I really like it, and I click lots of pictures, I make lots of videos also, so I will show you here after that. And I hope that you like my video and my unboxing and my real reaction, and I hope that you miss me. So please subscribe it to my channel, and I really love it. And but not the least, but so thank you so much, guys, for watching my video of my Korean fair unboxing. I hope that you liked it, my real reaction. So please subscribe it and follow me on Twitter. If you love J-Hope, if you love it, please subscribe it. Bye guys, bye.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정!